Economic order quantity EOQ is a fundamental inventory management concept that helps firms estimate the ideal order size to minimize overall inventory expenses, which include ordering costs, holding costs, and shortage costs. Key components of EOQ demand. This refers to the overall quantity of units required over a certain period, often measured annually. Efficient EOQ computations depend on precise demand forecasts. Order cost. Regardless of order amount, this fixed cost is incurred each time an order is placed and is also referred to as setup cost. It covers costs like shipping and handling. Holding cost. The cost of keeping unsold goods for a year per unit is known as the holding cost. Depreciation, insurance, warehousing fees, and opportunity costs associated with capital invested in inventories are examples of holding costs. Advantages: improved order fulfillment. Ensures products are on hand when needed, improving customer satisfaction and potentially increasing sales. Reduced overordering. Helps avoid tying up too much cash in inventory. Less waste. Optimizes order schedules, reducing obsolete inventory, particularly for perishable goods. Lower storage costs. Reduces the amount of products to store, lowering related costs. Quantity discounts. Allows businesses to take advantage of bulk order discounts.